So as we design posters, you might want to change the orientation of your page. Right now it's in landscape, which is a horizontal orientation. If you want to make it a vertical orientation, you go into design, and then over here in slide size. So I clicked on the design tab, and then within the ribbon, I'm going to the customize slide size. There's no option here right now for vertical, so I'll click on custom slide size and move it to portrait. Portrait is the horizontal one. Looks like you can adjust it here. So if we wanted to print ours on letter paper, it might look like that. And I click on our standard letter paper is 8.5 by 11 inches. Click on OK, and then it's going to ask you are scaling to a new slide size. Would you like to maximize the size of your content or scale it down to ensure it'll fit on the new slide? If I click ensure to fit, that means that everything will fit on the slide. If I do maximize, some of the content will be off of the slide. So I'm going to click ensure to fit, and there she is.